Please click the bell icon and you'll never miss any updates from my channel. And also please subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna make chocolate pudding. So to start, we're gonna add some corn flour in this pot. Okay, you add corn flour nicely. You add 3 spoons of drinking chocolate. Cocoa powder will also do. Use a whisker to whisk this, and you add a cup of milk gradually. Okay, you're gonna add it slowly and steadily, and use this whisking device to whisk it properly. Okay, this is my first cup of milk, which I'm adding gradually. Okay, it looks like a nasty hot chocolate, but it's actually pretty good in taste. Okay, after adding the second cup, you mix it nicely. Give it a nice mix. Okay, beat it properly so that there is no solid material left behind. Okay, now what we are going to do is we're going to turn on the heat and put it at 700 so that it's moderate and nice and hot. Now you add a cup of diabetes inside this. Okay, if you are a person suffering from diabetes, please don't have this recipe. It's most probably gonna kill you with sugar. Okay, now you add a cup of cream, half a cup of cream, to be honest. I know it looks a bit disgusting at this point, but it's gonna be fine. Okay, now you're gonna use this whisking device and whisk it until the cream magically disappears into the concoction. Okay, you keep mixing it, don't stop no matter what. Now you're gonna take some dark chocolate nicely, sample it for taste quality. Once I have approved it for superior taste and good quality, I'm gonna add it into this concoction. Okay, let's make sure we don't waste any dark chocolate. And now you're gonna mix this properly. Make sure it doesn't stick to the edges. If it burns, it's gonna give out a nasty smell. Okay, I know you can see the color is turning, it's getting dark and muddy. This is what we want. We want it to be dark, just like DC Universe. Now you put the heat on 350 degrees and you keep stirring it. Okay, don't stop no matter what. And yeah, I put it back to 700 because I have low patience. Now I'm gonna whisk it again. Okay, you want to make this consistency into see, it should become thick. Okay, not too thick. If it becomes too thick, then it becomes like a brick and you can use it to throw it at your neighbor's window. Okay, now what I'm looking for right now with this spoon is I'm looking for consistency. The consistency should be consistent. Okay, it should be thick and it should basically look like sludge from sewage. If it doesn't look like sludge, make sure it gets dried a little bit. Okay, and yeah, if it gets too black, it means you probably went too much with the heating process. You see bubbles, it's a good sign. Okay, if you don't see bubbles, it means you didn't turn on the heat. Okay, if you see black smoke coming, it's not special effects, you burnt it. Now you put this in this what do you call that, saucepan, like a plate. Okay, you can use anything. I'm using a plate because I'm gonna eat this alone. And now you put it inside a fridge so that it cools. And yeah, you leave it in this fridge for 2 hours and then enjoy. That's it. That's how you make a chocolate pudding. As easy as that. Well, that's it for this video, ladies and gentlemen.